I'll be discussing how Postman's API platform is empowering the healthcare industry to fully, yet securely, embrace digital transformation and today's leading trends in technology. With Postman, healthcare providers are revolutionizing the quality of care that they provide to their patients and the speed at which they are able to provide it. Doctors and nurses on the front lines of patient care need instant access at their fingertips to powerful 360-degree views of their patients' health histories, current medications, and diagnoses. But with HIPAA requirements always a top-of-mind concern, Postman is being used to help create software that delivers protected health information, or PHI, directly to where it's needed the most, instantaneously, but always with confidentiality, integrity, and security. Prior to implementing an effective API strategy, some common problems that our customers have had that have led to HIPAA violations include lack of proper training about how to leverage technology in a compliant manner, exposing PHI to the wrong parties, and creating and using technology that is built in a fundamentally insecure fashion. Postman is a critical component in ensuring that your software and your connected digital systems are designed and built from the very beginning with the protection of patient data in mind. In today's world, apps and applications connect to big systems like electronic health record systems, or EHRs, which themselves access patient data. And these days, applications oftentimes don't connect just to one system or one source of data, they connect to multiple. As a doctor's office, I don't just connect to an EHR to access patient data. I also electronically transmit the patient's prescription to their pharmacy and electronically transmit claims to their insurer. All of these systems connect to the customer's PHI through the use of APIs. What if my patient is also exhibiting COVID-like symptoms and I want to quickly see if my patient's recent location history correlates with any known hotspots of reported COVID transmission? An effective API strategy enables your medical process to quickly respond to a quickly changing world. It'll also position you to create user interfaces, user experiences that are tailor-made to service the needs of your business and patients. In working to achieve this vision of powerful but secure digital transformation and patient responsiveness, healthcare providers often encounter a set of common challenges, such as roadblocks to interoperability between systems, especially dated ones. And the key to solving this is to ensure that your app developers and systems integrators are properly educated on how to safely and effectively use those systems' APIs. Using Postman's public API network, the largest such network in the industry, developers and systems integrators can quickly discover and educate themselves on the systems with which they're integrating. Your developers can access rich, detailed documentation that explains how to effectively leverage an API, how to do it securely, and how to begin developing against an API within minutes. Even within the same organization and with partner healthcare entities, Postman's private API network allows the same socialization and discovery of APIs to be performed, but with controlled access to provide additional control and privacy over who can access this data. Now, suppose you've identified a collection of APIs, both internally and with partner entities that implement the FHIR standard to help you to quickly and securely integrate and interoperate with electronic PHI. How do you effectively manage, socialize, and make use of those APIs? Well, you need to educate yourself about them, confirm what resources they give you access to, and confirm that they have the expected capabilities. You'll then need to confirm what design contracts they respect and impose, and you'll need to quickly stand up testing for those APIs so that you can start developing against them. All of this requires discovering and getting educated on those APIs quickly, standing them up quickly so that we can test against them quickly, and doing so in an automated fashion so that your development process is faster, less error-prone, and presents less long-term risk to your PHI. And if you can do this faster without compromising security, you can respond to your patient's needs more quickly. Our healthcare customers are also concerned with avoiding common missteps that lead to HIPAA violations. Things like insecure use of technology, improper patient authorization, and exposing PHI to the wrong parties. They use Postman to implement a comprehensive testing strategy to ensure that every API that is either provided to or used by the organization adheres strictly to functional, contractual, design intent, and design governance guidelines, standards, and business rules that your organization dictates. This way, you're always assured that your APIs are functioning and being consumed in strict compliance with your business, compliance, and governance best practices. In Postman, your business and governance rules live side by side with your APIs, and quality is enforced every single time that an API is tested. Any resulting problems are identified immediately. Groups of API tests can even be run together to ensure that your APIs are properly supporting the higher level business functions for which they were designed. If a developer unintentionally designs an API that lacks sufficient security, we'll be able to spot it. If an API exposes identifiable PHI, we'll spot that too. With Postman, you can design your digital transformation efforts with proper security and compliance from the very start and never have to try to add it in after the fact. Technology companies in all industries have recognized that an effective API strategy is critical, not just important, to thriving in today's digital world. For the healthcare industry specifically, today's world expects rapid change, rapid response, patient empowerment and visibility, and interconnectedness. Today's world expects that healthcare entities are patient-focused rather than process-focused, and those entities that don't achieve this will fall behind. With a properly managed API strategy, you can achieve all of these and more without compromising the safety of your patient data. With a properly implemented and managed API strategy, you can quickly, effectively, and securely modernize and connect legacy systems that, even if dated, have data that is simply too important to the care of your patient. For a system that was not designed with today's latest technology trends in mind, formulating an effective API strategy for how to do so is critical. What data do you expose? Is it compliant with standards such as HIPAA and programs such as meaningful use? Is PHI being leaked? And do we have proper visibility and reporting on the communication and transfer of PHI so that we can not just control it, but actually prove it? Postman enables you to socialize, document, and discover APIs, ones both internal to your organization and ones provided by other healthcare entities. We enable you to automate the deployment of testing, governance, and compliance infrastructure around your APIs so that they're always confirmed to work correctly. And the instant that they don't, we notify you so that you can fix them immediately. Postman is the industry leader for API platforms and provides a best-in-class platform for enabling your organization to quickly, seamlessly, and securely work with your healthcare partners to deliver the experience that your patients want and to do it the way that you need it to be done. Your patients, enabled faster, enabled securely.